Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Today I am going to share some MCQs related with upcoming staff nurse exams. So let's see. Before starting the video, if you not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel and watch more videos and share with your friends. So question number first. Which serotype of dengue virus is more dangerous? There are four options. A type first, B type second, C type third and D type fourth. Right answer is B type second. Type second is the serotype of dengue virus is more dangerous compared to other serotype. Next question number second. Human disease are due to bad clouds was a part of which theory? Option A miasma theory, B supernatural causes, C germ theory and D epidemiological triad. Right answer is A miasma theory. Miasma theory is related with the disease such as cholera or chlamydia or black death. So, right answer is A miasma theory. Next question number 3. The most common HIV subtype in India is option A, C, B, E, C, H and D, D. Right answer is C. The most common or dominant HIV subtype in India is C. Next question number 4. Human brain is more intelligent than monkey's brain due to option A more blood supply, B larger brain, C increased brain area compared to body surface area and D increased convulsions. Right answer is B larger brain. Human brain is more intelligent than monkey brains due to larger brain present in the human. Next question number 5. AC node acts as pacemaker of the heart because of the fact that is option A has poor cholinergic innervations, B generates impulses at the highest rate, C is capable of generating impulses and spontaneously and D has rich sympathetic innervation. Right answer is B generates impulses at the highest rate. AC node acts as a pacemaker of the heart because of the fact that it generates impulses at the highest rate. Next question number 6. Cells type which lacks HLA human leukocyte antigen is A red blood cells, B thrombocytes, C hepatocytes and D neutrophils. Right answer is red blood cells. Red blood cells lacks of HLA antigen. Next question number 7. Lysozyme is present in all except option A CSF, B lacrimal secretions, C saliva and D respiratory tract secretions. Right answer is CSF. In cerebrospinal fluid, lysozymes is absent because of lysozymes is a protein. Next question number 8. Which of the following is does not change in the old age? A glucose tolerance, B GFR or glomerular filtration rate, C blood pressure and D hematocrit. Right answer is D hematocrit. Hematocrit is not changed in the old age. Next question number 9. Longest cranial nerve is A 10th, B 7, C 2nd and D 4th. Right answer is A. 10th number of cranial nerve is the longest cranial nerve. It's a vagus nerve. Next question number 10. True about juxtaglomerular apparatus of kidney. A. Important source of angiotensinogen. B. Important source of renin. C. Consists of afferent arteriole forming Lassus cell. And D. All of the above. Right answer is B. Important source of renin. Next question number 11. The hyperosmolarity of the renal medulla is due to increased content of A. Potassium, B. Sodium, C. Glucose, and D. All of the above. Right answer is B. Sodium plus. The hyperosmolarity of the renal medulla is due to increased content of sodium ion. Next question. Question number 12. The junction between two or more bone or cartilage. A. Synovial, B. Suture, C. Joint, and D. Fontanelle. Right answer is C. Joint. The junctions between two or more bones or cartilage, it's known as the joint. Next question, question 13. Body temperature is regulated by A. Hypothalamus, B. Cerebrum, C. Pituitary gland, and D. Medulla oblongata. Right answer is A. Hypothalamus regulates the body temperature. Next question. Hepatitis B can be prevented by giving A. HBsAg vaccine, B. DTP vaccine, C. BCG vaccine, and D. HBIG vaccine. Right answer is D. HBIG vaccine. Hepatitis B can be prevented by the giving of HBIG vaccine and BCG vaccine for tuberculosis and DTP for the diphtheria. Next question, question number 15. What can you do control high blood pressure? A. Get to and stay at the healthy weight. B. Exercise regularly. C. Take the blood pressure medicine prescribed by your doctor, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question. Which of the following symptoms would the nurse expect to find when assessing the clients with Meniere's disease? Option A. Epistaxis, B. Ptosis, C. Facial pain, and D. Tinnitus. Right answer is D. Tinnitus. When the nurse assessing for the patients with Meniere's disease, she assessed for the signs of tinnitus. Tinnitus in the ringing sound is present in the ear. Next question, question number 17. During which week of pregnancy for the first time breast milk can be squeezed? A. 6th week, B. 12th week, C. 18th week, and D. 24th week. Right answer is B. 12th week. 12th week of pregnancy for the first time breast milk can be squeezed. Next question. What is the common cause of constipation during pregnancy? A. Lack of fluid intake, B. Reduced intestinal motility, C. Lack of activity, and D. Lack of fiber intake. Right answer is B. Reduced intestinal motility can cause the constipation during the pregnancy. Next question. Which among the following activity is compromised in a newborn baby with cleft lip? A. Swallowing, B. Sucking, C. Facial expression, and D. Respiration. Right answer is B. Sucking. Next question. Which drug is given to prevent HIV transmission from mother to child? A. Nevirapine, B. Lamivudine, C. Stovudine, and D. Avasquivir. Right answer is A. Nevirapine. Nevirapine is the drug that is given to prevent HIV transmission from mother to child. Next question. As regard rupture uterus, all the following are correct except A. Multiparity is a risk factor. B. Abrupto placenta is a common differential diagnosis. C. Preservation of the uterus is difficult to be done. And D. Fetus is always in the peritoneal cavity. Right answer is C. Preservation of the uterus is difficult to be done. It is not true about the rupture of uterus. Next question. Name the support position where the woman leans on the embraces the partner around the neck with her head on his or her chest or shoulder. A. Slow dance position, B. Jitterbug position, C. Freestyle position, and D. Cartwheel position. Right answer is a slow dance position. Next question. First stage of labor includes which phase is the correct order? A. Transition, latent and active. B. Active, latent and transition. C. Active, transition and latent, and D. Latent, active and transition. Right answer is D. Latent, active and transition phase is the correct phases of the first stage of labor. Next question. In first stage of labor during the active phase, the cervix dilates. A 1 to 3 centimeter, B 7 to 10 centimeter, and D 4 to 7 centimeter, and D 8 to 10 centimeter. Right answer is C 4 to 7 centimeter. In the first stage of labor during the active phase, the cervix dilates 4 to 7 centimeter. Next question. During stage 3 of labor, you note a gush of blood and that the uterus changes shape from an oval shape to globular shape. This indicates A. Postpartum hemorrhage, B. Imminent delivery of the baby, C. Signs of placental separation, and D. Answer B and C. Right answer is C. Signs of placental separation. Next question. After birth, where do you expect to assess fundal height? A. At the scaphoid process, B. 5 cm below the umbilicus, C. 2 cm above the pubic symphysis, and D. At or near the umbilicus. Right answer is D. At or near the umbilicus. Next question, question number 27. Central hearing loss results may loss from damage to which nerve? A. Olfactory nerve, B. Auditory nerve, C. Facial nerve, and D. Brain auditory pathways. Right answer is D. Brain auditory pathway. Central hearing loss result may loss from damage to brain auditory pathway. If the sensorineural hearing loss is present, then the auditory nerve is responsible for this. What here is central hearing loss. So right answer is D. Brain auditory pathway. Next question. Which of the following nutrients help for tissue repair? A. Vitamins, B. Protein, C. Carbohydrate, and D. Fat. Right answer is B. Protein. Protein help for tissue repairing. Next question. Which of the following parameters should be checked before administering digoxin? A. Blood pressure, B. Apical pulse, C. Radial pulse, and D. Respiratory rate. Right answer is B. Apical pulse. Apical pulse should be checked before administering the digoxin. Next question. Enlargement of the heart muscle is known as A. Cardiomegaly, B. Hepatomegaly, C. Splenomegaly, and D. Myocarditis. Right answer is J. Cardiomegaly. Where megaly word is present, that means something should be large or enlargement is present. So, right answer is A. Cardiomegaly. That means enlargement of the heart muscle. And hepatomegaly, that means increased the enlargement of the liver. And splenomegaly, that means enlargement of the spleen. And myocarditis, the inflammation of the heart muscles. Thank you for watching us.